everybody. This is Rhonda with Grand Manor Magazine. Happy 4th of July, everyone. I'm I don't know about you guys, but I'm absolutely beat. You know, from grilling to picnicking and all of this. And of course, a lot of greet and meeting with family members and with friends. I'm sure a lot of you are just as pooped and tired as I am. You're probably wondering what's in my hand. I just put together, I thought this would be really festive, and I put together a little fun floral arrangement here, a little tiny one, and I thought it'd be perfect for the 4th of July. So I hope you guys like it. You see I have my little apple in here, my little DIY crafting that I put in here. So I put that in there as well. And of course, to be more festive, I put my blue and my red, and then I'm wearing my white. So again, hello Twitterers, hello Facebookers, hello Instagram, and hello to all our YouTubers. Hello, this is Rhonda with Grand Manor Magazine, aka Mad Hatter, Diva and her Wonderland. So I'm glad to be here with you guys. And so we're going to get busy, and we're going to get busy here and get to shopping. There's a lot of good sales and deals, some wonderful items that are just going to make you just, oh my goodness. I tell you, they're very, very nice and very, very cute. And I think we did some pretty good selections this week. So anyway, let's get busy. Let me put this down. And let me get into the chair and let's get busy. Okay, alrighty, so let me get over here. And we're on the website. Now, if you're not on Grand Manor Magazine's website, be sure to visit www.grandmanor.com and be sure to visit the website, and you'll see all of our lovely shopping hotspots on each one of the pages on the magazine. Okay, and we will be having our newest issue coming out this week, matter of fact, and I think you guys will absolutely love it. I'm going to pop down there real quickly to give you a little sneak peek onto the front cover of the magazine. But this one here is coming out this week, Fruit-a-licious Desserts, and I mean Fruit-a-licious. We're going to have some spectacular desserts in there you don't want to miss. And if you're a subscriber, you're going to be very, very thrilled. You'll be able to print and download these recipes, have some fun, and also we have some new puzzles, and we have some new comics and things like that. And we also have a venture series in there that will have the next episode, so you guys get a chance to see what happens to the queen, to the princess, okay, with Prince Valiant and all of that. So very exciting. So be sure to visit our website. Be sure to go in so you can check out these shopping spots. We're going to talk about some highlights, some wonderful things that you probably want to check out, some wonderful things you might want to buy. And we have some items. There's an item I saw in here that, truthfully, I think in the next hour or 2 hours, it's going to be gone, meaning the sale is going to be gone. So it ends today. So let's go in and let's look at some of these wonderful items that we picked. Now, this week, we did a little cookbooking. We picked out 5 or 6 or 7 more cookbooks that we really think are really fabulous. So I wanted to share these with you, and I think they're really good buys, and they're very, very nice, and I think it's something you want to have in your kitchen. So let's get going. Let's look at the first one on here, which is the Ice Cream Social, and the brand is Ice Cream Social, and it has in here fabulous frosty and fun treats. In here, as you can see, it has the delicious cookie sandwich. I love that, with the ice cream in the middle and then the cookie on the top and the cookie on the bottom, and then the sprinkles going all the way around. I can practically taste it. I absolutely love that. So this cookbook is only $20. That's a very good price, I think. And it's, like I said before, I think it's a must-have to have in your kitchen. And so this way, when the kids want something fun, you guys can turn to one of the pages and, of course, enjoy and make one of the recipes. Now, also here next to that is the I'm crazy about the brand Anthropology. I am so crazy about them, like I am with Bessie Johnson. I'm crazy about Anthropology. So they have some cutesy, beautiful items that you know, for your home. They got it for your kitchen and everything. I absolutely love it. So this one here we posted is the Belmar Stripe indoor outdoor bistro chairs. They're gorgeous. Aren't they cute? I mean, can't you just see yourself drinking a lemonade or what's from our recipes, the Strawberry-licious smoothie, you know, and you can just sit in one of the chairs there and just have a really good time. It was $248. Here's the sale price, $198.40. So that's a pretty good sales price, I think. So that's something you might want to consider to kind of dazzle up your deck or to dazzle up indoors as well. I think these chairs are indoor as well as outdoor, so they're very versatile. I really like that about these chairs. So I think that's something you'd want to definitely get. Here we had to put this cookbook here, Ice Tray Treats. I love this because, you know, you have your ice tray and sometimes it's so hot, smoldering heat, and you go like, I just want something just cold to just pop in my mouth or just to have it on a stick or something. I love this. These are effortless chilled desserts that everyone will love. The price, this is with WNP Ice Tray Treats by Olivia McCool, and the price is $17. I think this is like, to me, it should be like a staple. It should be something that you definitely want to have in your kitchen, and especially on those hot days and you don't feel like you want something, you know, nice and cool and refreshing. This is the cookbook to pull out, I think. So definitely, and it's beautiful. It's something you can definitely make. Let me see here. I did something earlier so we can kind of look more into this book here. That's not it. Hold on. Here it is. All right. So I'm going in here right now. This is the Ice Tray Treats, and we're looking at the actual book. And you can look at some of the actual pages in here. So, like this here, grapefruit and rosemary jelly. Right? Cold, fruit-delicious. I can just taste it now. And then, look at this one. This is the matcha latte cubes. Mint ice cubes. So you can really play with this. You can get slices of lemon, put it into the ice tray, and then put like, you know, like water in there. You know what I mean? Lemon juice, like sort of like a lemonade, or you can make the lemonade, pour it in there, and then put the lemon slices in there and cut them up. Absolutely delicious, and what a refreshing type of dessert to have, right? Something to pop in when you're watching your favorite show or movie, or you could be watching a classic movie like myself. I absolutely love the classic movies. So this is something, I think this is definitely a cookbook you want to keep and have. It's a must-have buy, I think. It's only $17. So I just think it's really fantastic. I think it's really wonderful. I mean, you can even do no-bake desserts as well. So you can put like puddings and then put them in the refrigerator, and then they're nice and cool. Put a little sprinkle on it or something like that. It's really fun and very festive. See how they did there? That's the vanilla and graham cracker ice cream sandwiches. So again, cold, delicious. Oh, absolutely fabulous. So that's something you definitely want to probably mark off, or if you can purchase it tonight. I can't guarantee how long they're going to have it. There's a lot of items that we post that have sold out. And let me tell you, I want to thank you guys out there. We've had some shoppers that shopped last month and all that stuff. So we want to thank you all for doing that. Thank you for choosing us to do your shopping. Thank you for going on Grand Matter Magazine's website and doing your shopping. Definitely comment below. Remember to subscribe to our channel so that way you can get all the latest what's new in terms of our shopping hotspots. Okay, so let's get back over to our previous page here. There we go. And there we go. And now, another thing we posted were some floral bow twist headband. I love that. You know, a lot of the headbands, they have it where you just snap it on top of your, not snap it, but you put it over your head, and that was it. That's as far as it goes, is from one ear to the other. What I love about this is it is a headband, full headband that goes all the way around your head, so you can quickly put it on. It has a cute bow on top. I think I might purchase that. It's $24. It's floral. I love that light blue. So it's very pretty, very summery, but I think you could wear that in the fall as well with a fall sweater, light blue sweater, or, pretty much you can wear anything with it. I think it's really very nice. We also have here the other cookbook, Flatbreads, Wraps, and More. The reason why I posted this cookbook, I bought some pita breads, I bought some wraps and all that stuff, and the only thing I could think of putting in or putting with the wrap was I put some lunch meat, but then I said, and tuna. That's all I was doing, is just tuna. I was like, I've got to become more creative with this. The bread is delicious. I mean, you can eat it, heat it up, or you can, have it cold. It's so delicious. And there's so much you can do with it. You can make a pizza, you can do appetizers, you can do snacks. So we put this up there. It's from the brand is Pill Publications International. It is the Flatbreads, Wraps, and More. It is $14.99. It was $19.99. That's what I was saying. This is definitely a sale. Definitely an awesome deal. It's $14.99. I don't know how long that sale is going to be. So if you are like me and you want to be a little bit more creative with your flatbreads and your pitas and all of that, you definitely want to get this cookbook. And this is something that you want to definitely have as a staple, have it in your home and have it in your kitchen. So it's very, very nice. I think you'll really like it. And I think it's really worth a good buy.